Yeah.
What we got here is a trout. Nice trout.
Let's go.
Nice.
Gatsby's like, what up? Nice fish.
Go. Uh-oh. Got them all. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got a
Little gag
Oh,
grouper.
the
Look how
gag.
dark.
Oh, wow, it's pretty.
Cool.
It's so
It's
cute.
a little gag grouper. It's really dark.
Tiny.
You could put him in a fish tank, but then he would eat everything else. But we're gonna let him go over here. So, dude.
Nice. And morning or afternoon for you? In March, always going to be the morning.
Gag grouper.
7 a.m. And expiration.
What's up, Pete?
27. And the security code.
Dude, Pete, there's no way.
Oh, he's doing it.
Okay, great.
God.
Pete.
Oh, okay. Let them know, yeah.
Others got them all.
Yeah, so I've got you down for the 11th.
There's a grunt. Nice grunt.
For the parking.
Grunting away. Grunting away.
Parking is just going to get a little crazy. It should be okay.
Do you want this in the bucket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, yes.
Let Pete have any of our time.
Yes, yep.
Only the small guys.
Can she do it?
We work too hard for these.
Yes, so the longer the trip, the further out we'll go.
Almost.
God damn it. Got him.
It can, yes, because we'll be able to do a little bit more bottom fishing further out.
Got him all.
Lizzie.
Oh, man.
Look at that lizard fish.
What you think, Cass?
Gatsby, look. He's like, clunk. He's like,
I know, me too. Nice little spring break, Pearson.
I guess Pete got full off of one, huh?
He took off. He was here chilling and then he left.
Cool looking fish. They got the little blue lines on their face.
There you go.
You
want to go over
They
there.
are now.
We want to go on that.
Oh!
That was right under the. Very nice.
That was a sheepshead for sure.
Look at that.
So dope. Oh, sheepshead.
Yes!
Go!
Yes!
No, you.
No, oh, I got him. He
in the
just
mouth.
wrapped around. Let's go.
We're gonna let it go.
Put it in the Twitch, too. Let's go, Jen.
Jen's got them all.
She's in the spot.
She is in the spot.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a jumbo grunt.
Look at that.
Pete tried to get
Dude, Pete was about to eat him.
That's
We're,
too tight,
Pete,
though. That's a tank.
what are you thinking?
That's a tank.
Hi, bud. Oh, he's all scratchy. He's not all soft like me. How can he breathe?
Oh, I think you might be getting a bite.
Oh yeah, I got it.
it's just going out. He's gonna be so far up under the rock.
Good one.
There's only two ways to get them to puff up. That's either rub their belly Or, oh, he got
Get
you.
it.
Makes him swell up if you rub on him a little bit.
Damn it.
All right, Puff
He
Daddy.
sounds like a balloon.
You go.
Actually, he's fine.
He hit the top of the arena.
There's nothing.
What?
Nothing
You
at
just
all
did.
wrong with that.
That was like a football hitting the top of the Astrodome. Like, you can't punt it that high.
Oh, shish kebabs.